It's that time of year again. It's late November, and so my husband and I are installing our VOLISUN Christmas spotlights. I love these lights because they're easy to install. There's ample space in between each unit, each light unit, and you just stick them in the grass and aim them at your house, and voila, you have instant Christmas lights. And I love how you can have a decorative look without getting up on your roof line, dealing with clips for string lights and so forth. And what I really love is that you can change each individual color of the lights using the remote control that is provided with these units. And I really love them. They are perfect for the Christmas season or anytime really if you want that festive look on your home. So I totally recommend these.